In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add black screen on your videos in Filmora video editor. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so there are various ways you can add black screen on your videos in Filmora. In the first method, for instance, I want to add a black screen before this video begins. To do that, it is quite simple. Just head over to your video after you have added your video on the timeline here, and then just move it and leave the space that you need. If you want it for maybe 5 seconds, so leave a space equivalent to 5 seconds, and that will be it. So if I go ahead and play it from the beginning, now you can see it will transition from black screen to showing the video. However, to remove the black screen or to reduce it, you can just adjust this, and if you want to remove it, you can just click on this X to remove it. However, should you want a black screen to appear in between a video or at one section of the video, then go ahead and identify the section and then split the video. Or if you want this to be a transition between two videos, you can also do the same. Go ahead and leave a space or drag one of the clip to leave a space, and now you can see there is a black screen between these two. Alternatively, if you want to add a black screen but this time round you want to use an image or a still image that is black, you can just go ahead and search for black screen, and then you can see we have quite a number of them. Then just go ahead and download any of them and then save it on your computer. And once you have downloaded it, you just go ahead and add it to your media, and mine has been added. So if you want to add this between the two, go ahead and drag it and add it to the second timeline and make sure that it fits. And here we go. And you can see here, I want this to cover the whole screen and hide this. So you can just go ahead and expand it from edge to edge to make sure that it covers the whole part. And here you can also drag this to make sure that it covers this only section. And here we go. Now we have our black screen added to our video. So that's how you can add a black screen on Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.